It's not what it's doing, but it's
Mhm.
how it did it. The robot
Yes.
itself actually is very cool. Also, you noticed before I noticed that you said that it has three finger joints instead of
Three
two, as
knuckles. It's got
Optimus.
three
Three knuckles,
knuckles.
yeah.
So the fingers seem to be maybe
Oops.
a bit more compliant, a bit more human-like.
So, but you can see, it puts the cup in. The impressive part to me is honestly not even this demo, but the part where it shows it correcting itself, the close up in just a minute, the error correction that it does.
Close-ups of the hands as well.
Yeah, here.
The bot didn't put the coffee cup underneath the maker. It just went ahead and put the
Right,
pod in there. It learned to do it just by observing humans.
right. And this behavior, if this is full end-to-end neural network without somebody giving heuristic code, which they indicate, the fact that it self-corrects here and puts the cup in indicates a level of reasoning because it then understands the objective of the action. And that means
Yes.
it's able to think about multiple steps here. It's not just like move your hand around here because I can move my hand here, but that doesn't do anything. It's like, no, the objective is to pick up the cup and place the cup in there. And so it understands when it doesn't land right, it has to fix that problem. And that is very
And I
impressive.
wonder if it saw examples of it not landing right and it being
Yeah,
corrected.
yeah, more than
In which
likely.
case, you almost wonder if it intentionally puts it in incorrectly, if it saw a lot of
Right.
examples of it first going incorrectly, or if it just kind of learned from that this is the way you want to do it, this is how you correct it. And
Yeah,
the
so
other
it
thing
doesn't-
to
yeah,
remember
so-
is that at the very beginning, there's a voice command to go ahead and make the coffee. It wasn't
Right.
just that the coffee maker was put in front of it and it looks at it and says, oh, I'm going to go ahead and do this now. It seemed
Right.
like it was really waiting for the prompt. It's just because you're standing in front of a coffee maker, you don't start making coffee.
So I want to look at Brett. He did a post right after this. Yeah. So this is actually, I think, really important to read too. So I think, getting into their headspace. Why is this so important? The reason why this is so groundbreaking is if you can get human data for an application, making coffee, folding laundry, warehouse work, etc., you can then train an AI system end to end on figure one. There is a path to scale to every use case. And when the fleet expands, further data is collected from the robot fleet, then retrained, and the robot achieves even better performance. Essentially, what he's saying is this simple demo is very easy to replicate. I think that's the TLDR here.